Dutch out here. Just chewing some food. Delicious crunchies. What's your favorite snack? Mine's cereal. You know, I like Rice Krispies because they're so scrumdiddlyumptious.